Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Fidelity's life insurance services. Okay, if you've been wondering how to use Fidelity's life insurance services, this video is going to show you the way. It's gonna be a quick one. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into the video. Now, the first thing you're gonna want to do is log into your Fidelity account. You can choose to log into your Fidelity account on the website, or you can choose to do so on the Fidelity mobile app on your mobile device. Now, once you're logged into your account, you're going to click on insurance, and then you're going to click on life insurance. Now, it's going to initiate the life insurance application process, and there you're going to need to provide the required information. Of course, that's going to include medical history. So once that's done, you just want to choose the life insurance option, and then you're going to confirm the details. Just got to make sure you go over those details and ensure that they're all accurate. Once that's done, go ahead and confirm the submission, and from there on out you can monitor the life insurance activity right here on Fidelity. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Fidelity's life insurance services. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next